Hello, Auto Valet. It's my Mercedes Benz 190E. Just done a few video posts now and some pictures on Facebook, on my website. Just wanted to do a little roundup really. So I'm 90% finished, 95% finished, a few little bits and pieces, but I just wanted to get a video on really, to be honest, while the weather's nice and bright. So it's come up terrific, as it should really. Mercedes-Benz quality, 49,000 miles. It can only be good really, to be honest. I'll just show you inside. Absolutely amazing. Just no flaws on it whatsoever really, which is a testament to Mercedes-Benz and build quality of the era, but also it's low mileage as well. It can only aid the visual appearance of it now, but it's come out lovely. In the back as well, just amazing. The nets on the back of the seats, there's no sag in those, which are quite common that they sag over a period of time in use, but none at all, which is amazing. Just in the boot, come up superb. I won't lift up the boot mat and show you the spare wheel because that has been used, but I've sent it away for powder coating, so it looks as best as it possibly could. It would have been the only thing that let the car down really, so I couldn't have that. I had to get it done. A small amount of paintwork I had done just to put right some of the age related little rust spots, nothing major, nothing detrimental, but would have spoilt it if I didn't do it. And now I've done it, I'm really glad I did. It was well worth the money to have done, and it's really lifted the car. Just amazing really. Yeah, superb. I'll just show you under the bonnet. Engine bay's come up great. The air filter cleaner from my last video, if you remember, it was dull and some rust spots on it, and I was waiting to have it sprayed, which I've done, and really looks good. Would have been nice if it was satin, but they did it gloss and it looks fine. It certainly looks better than it did, and it complements the rest of the engine bay, which has come up really well. Can't fault that at all. Come up excellent. Very pleased. Come up really well. So, there we go. Auto Valet project, 190E.